Good morning. Wow. I don't know how to do this anymore. It's been a while since I left this space. That also comes with the fact that I did not know who I was, so I did not know what kind of output to put out there. Did I say that correctly? So I took my time. So I realized that for the longest time, I've just been creating content for the sake of aura farming. Is that the right way to use that term? Oh my God. It's when a person manufactures a certain vibe, image, or energy to gain attention, validation, or social advantage without actually embodying that energy in real life. Okay, so I actually used that word correctly. Got to a point where it got tiring because I was doing the things that didn't really feel true to me for the sake of gaining views, for the sake of being liked, you know, all that stuff. Not a lot of the things that I did in the past were actually true to who I am, because also I did not know who I was. This year, I was on a quest of looking for myself. So now maybe it's time to try again. I've been really thinking about going back to vlogging, but I've been really overthinking, what the fuck am I gonna do? What am I gonna make? And I realized I'm just gonna flow with it. I don't know where this vlog is gonna go, but I'm gonna take you through the process of trying again. What time is it? 8:22 in the morning. What do I need to do today? I need to go to the grocery store. Oh my God, I'm so type B. The only type A about me is my calendar. It's the only thing about my life that helps me stay organized. Without my calendar, I wouldn't know what to do during the day. Calendar.google. All right, what do I have to do today? At least yesterday, I added some things on my calendar. Going to the grocery store, my friend's house, Nate, going to yoga at 6:45. That's all that I have to do today. I cannot live without it. Being a freelancer means you're not really following a certain schedule. And I guess all our lives, we're so used to having someone above us telling us what to do. Our parents, our teachers, professors. So now being a freelancer, it's all you. And I realized I'm gonna follow my highest self. Hey, what's up? Where you been? I've been waiting by my phone. Say it how you want, but if it's a letter, can you go straight? Tell each other and call me baby if you wanna reach me. Ain't nobody safe when I'm a little bit drunk. Knows it lingering. Girl who knows it liquor is a girl who's been done. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. The thing about this camera is it's not really going to show you how things actually look like color-wise. I don't know, might look ugly, but who cares? What else did I say I was gonna do today? Oh, grocery. I don't know why I keep forgetting stuff. There's actually nothing wrong with being type B. You can just like stay true to who you truly are. As long as you're functional, you know how to navigate your life as a type B, I think that's fine. I personally believe that all of us are wired differently, and you are wired exactly the way you should be. You know, that's the wiring of the divine. What the hell am I saying? But does that even make sense? Why do I yap a lot? Why do I feel like a lot of the things that I say are actually valuable? Wow, to who? Why do I want to include everything, but at the same time, surely no one's gonna watch an hour-long video? See? Exactly, because I already keep thinking about what people are gonna say. I shouldn't be doing that. You know what? Fuck it. I should not be doing that, because if I keep thinking about the things that people are going to say about a certain something that I've done, then I'm not going to be able to achieve anything. My gosh, I'm letting them win, which I don't like. I don't understand why every day of my life here in this country, since I flew back to the Philippines, I've been experiencing inconvenience, which a lot of you might think, oh my God, such a first world problem. But yeah, do I deserve this treatment? Do I deserve how my country is treating me? Stop tolerating this system. This is why we don't get good things, because we just tolerate it instead of actively talking about the wrong things about the society. You know what I mean? Because we're the ones suffering. This is so frustrating. I've been trying to get it right for the past 30 minutes, and I don't know why it's just so hard to get it right. It's also been really expensive. Okay, now that I'm in the grocery store, I don't know what to get. It happens all the time. But every time I go to the grocery store, I always end up getting the things that I actually don't need, or I end up going home still not having the ingredients for the meal that I want to make. It's because I don't create a list. Now that is so fucking type B. What the fuck is this vlog? What am I talking about? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna create a to-do list of the things that I need to do. Okay, to-do list. And number one on my to-do list is to make a to-do list. Because I don't have a to-do list. Yeah, so my to-do list is to make a to-do list, and then I go home, prepare my yoga bag, go to Nate's yoga, go home, pack, Hong Kong. Okay, so here's of things that I need to achieve. What do I need? Dishwashing liquid, vinegar. Oh my god, this is fucking crazy. Excuse me, thank you. I'll just get the produce when I come back. I'm gonna be away for 3 days anyway, and I want them fresh. So I will need right now a dishwashing liquid. You know what? I still have a dishwashing liquid anyway. I still also have kitchen tissues. It's enough for tomorrow that I can just do this when I come back from Hong Kong. What the fuck? My gosh. My gosh. I could have just like stayed at home and edited a fucking video. Okay, lesson learned. You gotta create your to-do list. Plan your fucking life. From now on, I'm gonna make a to-do list that I am going to attach to the event on my calendar. I check my calendar a lot anyway. I'll create a to-do list. I'm gonna be linking to my calendar. So every time I check it, I know what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, is that how like... Okay, now what? Literally just like wasting time in here. This is so fucking embarrassing. Am I just gonna leave the grocery store with nothing? I'm literally leaving tomorrow. I don't need to do this today. What the hell was I thinking? Who goes to the grocery store the day before their flight? Now what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna go back to where I was and return this. Yeah, I don't need anything. I went through so much mental and emotional stress. Since earlier this morning, I didn't even do much. What did I even do today? I filmed Get Dressed With Me though on Instagram. Because of my typiness or my lapses in my organizational skills, I have wasted so much time and energy and even money, because why the fuck am I here in SM Aura right now and have not achieved anything? But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna eat something nice because I think I deserve a break from all that. Damn, hold on. Is this how my vlog is gonna be like from now on? Like I just go through life and you guys come with me and we learn something together? What if that's gonna be the reason I come back? I share my life and learnings with you guys. Hello. Yes. Oh, you can just take this one, yeah. Hi, okay. That's okay. Thank you. Wow, you're actually hot.
Today's Filipino inspiration is, if that's the case, pencil case. Filipino inspiration.
That's your point. PowerPoint. Hello, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Hi. Would you mind just wearing this the entire time?
Ano ba mangyayari?
Wala lang, we're just gonna talk. Like when I started this vlog talaga, I don't have anything in mind. I just wanted to try again. And then kasi that made me realize that the reason why I stopped was because I wasn't making for me. I was so engrossed with what people are going to say. Yeah.
And the difference this time
Is I'm just flowing with it. I'm creating it 100% for me. Just appear, just be present with it.
express.
Hard.
Okay.
Because I realized before, wala pang outcome. I'm already overthinking it.
Oh, that's some self-sabotaging.
Yeah. Are people even gonna watch a 30-minute vlog, you know?
Yeah.
A 20-minute vlog? I would pressure myself to create a vlog that's just like 10 minutes or less, but that also resists my freedom to express. So parang ang tagal kong nawala sa space na yun. And I realized na there's so much beauty in trying again. You don't have to mag-give up na lang because nakakapagod. Although may moments naman din talaga na ganun. But rest is also essential for people to thrive.
Yes.
Natawa ako kanina dahil I went to the grocery store. I do not have a grocery list. So I was stuck there. I realized I'm leaving tomorrow for Hong Kong, so there's no point. So I left the grocery store with nothing on my hand.
Parang SM Aura.
Oo. So that made me realize, oh my gosh, yes, I don't have to keep pressuring myself. Like, it's okay, I can just try again when I come back. I'm just curious, was there anything in your life na you swore you gave up on but still feel drawn to try again regardless?
Gave up on something and then I'm back at it again.
Yeah.
I feel like one is yoga, definitely. Because I used to do a lot of yoga back in high school. That's how I met Sang.
Yoga!
So now, like, I only came back to yoga like this year because I only started being confident in my body this year. But also like I know it's just more than physical. Like my mental well-being is like better now. There's more space to do yoga.
What was holding you back when you stopped?
I think one is like I thought I wasn't physically fit for yoga. When I was working as a makeup artist, I would be too tired to actually do anything other than do other people's makeup. But now that I'm back to like a healthier lifestyle, I have the capacity and time to do yoga again. It feels great, honestly, like to be back practicing yoga again. It's like returning to my high school self, but with like a better lens and more fresh. Mas fresh na yung itsura.
Was there any difference mentally and spiritually when you did it before, like in high school,
Yeah.
comparing it to now?
Parang before, it was really like for the aesthetic. Like I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to have like a workout para aesthetically pleasing. Ganon. But now, like yoga is more of a practice for me na being present. And especially now that we do hot yoga, it's like mental fortitude. Just like staying in that hot room for like an hour. Mahirap siya ha. Like parang it's also a mental challenge na, kaya mo to, kaya mo to, kaya mo to. Tapos because I did something na that difficult, parang naisip ko na, kaya ko na lahat yan. Like natry ko na mag-yoga ng hot like 60 minutes.
In a 32-degree room.
In a 32-degree room. Of course, the weight loss benefit and like the physical aspect is still there because I'm still doing the yoga. But it's more of like the intention of being there is not solely to improve my physical appearance, but also to be like present with myself and also to prove to myself na, sis, workout ka, kayang-kaya mo to.
Yeah,
Yun.
ganda.
Yun.
Before, kasi matagal ka na nag-yoga, di ba?
Yeah.
I remember when we stalked your account before, you did pa like a 30-day challenge.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
bongga.
yeah.
Like, ano yung difference before, like, when you finish a yoga class before and then now? Was there any, like, difference in terms of feeling?
I can't really remember like yung mindset ko back in high school. But really like at the core of it, I just really wanted to lose weight. But now kasi after yoga, it's more of I'm thankful that I spent time today to work on myself. As in parang thank you that you showed up. Like that's the feeling now.
oo
Like
nga.
yun, I think that's a big difference. Like just the intention of going to yoga is different. And like syempre you feel different after.
Oo, no?
Oo.
There are actually a lot of moments na, the teacher would usually say na parang, thank yourself today for honoring yourself.
Yeah,
blah, blah,
for
blah,
showing
blah.
up. Yeah.
For showing up.
Hala, gusto ko tuloy mag-yoga mamaya.
Ayun, every time they say that, tapos parang, di ba, and then namaste, like, it makes me wanna cry sometimes. In a good way.
Yeah. Pero ikaw ba, this year ka lang nag-yoga?
Oo, the first time. Remember when you asked me to come to Trish and you were like, after Trish, you're gonna yoga? But that was my very first time doing it.
Oh. First time like ever?
Ever.
So hot agad? Buang. Anyway, life is buang.
It is crazy.
You really don't know what's happening. Pero, laging may nangyayari sa life. Like, buang in that sense na parang random yung mga pangyayari sa life. Also with the trust na parang lahat ng nangyayari will all work out. Diba? Na parang, hala, buang, ang daming nangyayari, ganun. Pero ang saya.
Ang saya nga, it's crazy good.
Yeah, crazy good.
It's
That's
crazy
yeah.
good. But you know what I realized? Ngayon ko lang siya na-realize na it's crazy good when I started becoming so present.
Oh.
Kasi before, I couldn't really think na life is this crazy good.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't here.
Yeah.
I was mentally elsewhere, engrossed
Yeah.
on a certain thing.
Yeah.
Overthinking that certain thing.
Oo.
I planted a seed in my head that doesn't even exist. Kasi ito lang yung nasa harap natin.
Nandun yung focus mo, wala dito.
Yeah. Doon ko na-realize, ang dami palang nangyayari.
Ang dami talagang nangyayari.
Ang daming araw-araw.
Buang, di ba?
Pero ang saya.
Yeah. Nakakabaliw sa saya. Parang, yes! Yes! Ganun.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Ganun nga siya.
Kasi parang it's also pointless to think of things na parang too far ahead. Kasi hindi pa naman nangyayari or wala pa namang nangyayari. Just worry about the now or like the immediately in the next hour. Like today, like mag-yoga ba ako? I still don't know. The class is in like 2 hours. Yeah, diba?
Have you always been that way?
No, actually like as a planner, I always like to plan ahead. Pero now I realize na parang I can have some allowance or like some room for things to unfold by themselves. I don't have to be in control or like in control of everything all the time. it was exhausting.
You got exhausted? I think balance lang talaga, no?
Yeah. Like, leave some room for things to unfold by themselves. Like,
Yeah.
kaya na nila yan. Ganon.
I'm so type B, right? I'd like to believe that I was. And I still am. But spending so much time with you mesh your life with someone. We're not like in a relationship. We are like as friends, you know?
Yeah.
Like when you mesh your life with someone, obviously you will slowly adapt the things that you together. You know, when you mentioned the other day that like my presence helped you loosen up.
Yeah.
And then your presence naman to me helped me organize my life.
Oh, thank you.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I actually really love it because there are things na parang na-adapt ko na lang because of spending time with you, na because of so much awareness, it made me realize na, oh, I don't used to do this before. But wow, what the hell? Like, balance.
Yeah. Gets naman. I think it's also seeing the good in each other eh.
Yeah.
Na parang you adapt things that you see na parang, ay, ang ganda nito ah. Like, let me try it on. Parang damit, di ba? Let me try it on. Ang ganda eh, di ba?
I love it so much in a sense na it is really good to have a friendship na sobrang open.
Oo.
Because I am boy crazy.
Oh.
Or at least I...
Yes, she is. Everybody out there, listen up. Mykee May D, boy crazy as fuck. Sorry to cut you off. I just needed to like emphasize that.
That's okay. At least aware.
Oo.
I'm boy crazy and I'm walking towards the journey of being not. It's uncomfortable, but I try.
Wait, bakit towards not? I love boy crazy you.
But it's painful.
Gets.
Maybe like balance lang siguro.
Yeah,
Not too
yeah.
crazy, not too nonchalant.
Okay.
Sitting somewhere in the middle. Anyway, I realized that this friendship helped me parang
Know yourself more.
know myself more and learn things more in terms of how to navigate relationships.
Ah, really? That is very surprising because I've never had a boyfriend. Never been in a relationship. So you telling me that I taught you stuff about like love is like surprising to me.
It's not necessarily love.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
the factors that come in being in a relationship, like communication, quality time. Spend a lot of time together. We communicate when we need to. We compromise when we need to.
Yeah.
And those are the vital things that you also need when you measure your life with someone else. And I
Yeah.
learned that so much with each other's presence. I was like, fuck, this is beautiful.
The things that we have as like platonic friends, you can see it benefiting you when you get into a romantic relationship.
Yeah.
Ganon. Ah,
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Sana ako din. Char, ganon.
Kamusta pala yung book na yan?
The creative act. It's good. It's more of like, so far, the main thing that I've taken from it is like, yung mga stuff na ginagawa mo, the creative stuff that you do, you should think of it as pieces of like a greater structure. Kasi sometimes we're also narrowed into the individual projects that we do, individual pieces of content for us. Dapat widen your lens na parang this is just one brick in the house that you are building. Yun.
Ganda, I'm so excited because I want to buy that book also.
Go! I was encouraged to let my creative juices flow.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's what I'm trying to achieve with this
With this
actually.
vlog. I hope you are able to express fully.
I am.
Oo.
So far, there's so much beauty in it actually in a sense that hindi ko siya pinlano. I'm just like being present and just expressing my thoughts as I take them through my presence. I learn a lot and I get to express my learnings as I'm also flowing with my creative juices. You know what I mean? Like that's where I'm at right now. So my future vlogs, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just flowing.
Okay lang.
Period. Thank you so much for your time today.
Of course! You're most welcome.
Yay!
Nakita, mag-yoga pa ako.